हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। मैं विजय कुमार गुप्ता 9th क्लास की केमिस्ट्री का नेक्स्ट पार्ट लेके आए हैं। इस पार्ट में हम लोग देखेंगे कि मॉलिक्यूल्स, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हमने मॉलिक्यूल्स के बारे में देख लिया था। मॉलिक्यूल्स, आयंस, वैलेंसी, टाइप ऑफ वैलेंसी, etc. तो कमांड define molecules of compound. What is molecules of compound? Molecules of compound class 9th subject chemistry. मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ कंपाउंड स्टूडेंट नेक्स्ट वीडियो में वी ऑलरेडी स्टडीड टाइप ऑफ कंपाउंड्स एंड टाइप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स। टाइप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स, मॉलिक्यूल्स टाइप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स में हमने देखा था वो मॉलिक्यूल्स जो सेम टाइप के, ओनली सेम टाइप के एटम से मिलके बने हो रहे थे, वो इसको हम पढ़ चुके हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम, नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम देख रहे हैं मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ कंपाउंड, यानी कंपाउंड भी है और मॉलिक्यूल्स भी है। तो विच टाइप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स आर मेड ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एटम्स with a chemically combined are called molecules of compound. These type of molecules of compound which formed by different type of atoms chemically combined to form compounds are called molecules of compound. यानी इस टाइप के कंपाउंड्स में डिफरेंट टाइप के एलिमेंट के डिफरेंट टाइप के एटम पार्टिसिपेट होते हैं, केमिकली बाउंडेड होते हैं, फिर वो कंपाउंड का फॉर्मेशन होता है। उसी को क्या कहेंगे? मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ कंपाउंड कहेंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट, CO2, NH3, CH4, these are called molecules of compound. Why? CO2, the one molecules of CO2 formed by one atom carbon and two atom of the oxygen. This next NH3, this also made up by made up one nitrogen and three atoms, and then carbons. Then methane is formed by one carbon and four atoms of the hydrogen to combine to form compound. These are known as molecules of compound. Okay, note all compounds are molecule, but not all compound, but not all molecule are compound. Okay, why? We can study the next video the molecules, homoatomic molecules, heteroatomic molecules, monatomic molecules, diatomic molecules, triatomic molecules and polyatomic molecules. Okay, homoatomic molecules we can study before this class. Homoatomic molecules, homoatomic molecules These type of molecules made up only same type of atoms are called homoatomic molecules. These type of molecules are made up by same type of atoms are called homoatomic molecules as S2, Cl2, P4, O3, etc. Okay. Next, ions. Ions. The charged particles are called ions. The charged particles. The charged particles are species. The charged species. Charged species are called ions. Which atoms have charge? It is known as ions. They may be positive or negatives. Okay. Examples: Na plus, Cl minus, P4 पे ट्रिपल माइनस, सल्फेट पे डबल माइनस, एल्युमिनियम पे ट्रिपल प्लस, etc. These are known as ions. The charged species are called ions. Which atoms are a group of atoms which have charge are called ions. Okay, noted. Types of ion based on number of atom. These are two types. Ions, two types. First, monatomic ions. Monoatomic ion. Second, polyatomic ion. Monatomic ions, it means mono means one, atom means atom, ions means ions. These type of ions have one or more charge, but only one atoms are called monoatomic ions. Examples: sodium. Sodium has one positive charge. Magnesium has double positive charge. Aluminium has triple positive charge, but only one atom. Chlorine has one negative charge. Bromine has one negative charge. Nitrogen has triple negative charge. Oxygen has double negative charge. etc. These type of ions are called monoatomic ions, means only one atom, but has one ions, two ions, or three ions are called monoatomic ions. Next, polyatomic ions. Poly means many. Atomic means atom, and means and. This type of ions has one or more ions, but more than one atoms are called polyatomic ion. Repeat it. This type of ions, more than one atoms has one or more ions are called polyatomic ion. Example: PO4. PO4 more than one atom has 3 negative charge. Next, SO4, more than one atom has 2 negative charge. NH4, ammonium ion, has 1 positive charge. These are examples of polyatomic ion. Are you understand? Okay, note it. Based on accepting or donating electrons, based on accepting or donating electron. There are types of ions. Second base, based on accepting or donating electron or electrons. First, cation. Cations means those type of elements donate one or more electron to form ions are called cations. Those type of ions which donate one or more electrons are called cations. These type of ions which made up by donating one or more electrons and H positive charge are called cations. Okay, example, sodium donating one electron has 1 positive charge. It is called cation. Second, magnesium donating 2 electron has 2 positive charge are called cations. Aluminum donating 3 electrons has 3 positive charge are called cations. Okay, note it. Second, anion. These type of ions have 1 or more negative charge are called anions. It is made up by accepting 1 or more electrons are called anions. These type of ions have 1 or more negative charge are called anion. It is made up by accepting 1 or more electrons are called anion. Example, hydrogen accept 1 electron from anions. Oxygen received 2 electrons have 2 negative charge are called anion. Nitrogen accept 3 electrons have 3 negative charge are called anions. Okay, note it. Valency of an element. The number of electrons which an atom can lose, gain or share to other atoms of element is called valency. Okay, why? It is necessary to form the compound between 2 or more atoms. Which element or atom participate in valency? Which are non-stable. Non-stable means which has no octet complete according to n square. Okay, Next type of balancing, which has atoms have 2, 8, 18, dot dot. Electron has outermost shell, the stable elements, but which elements not has 2, 8, 18 or etc. outermost shell. This is known as unstable element. These unstable elements participate in the balancing to form a bond and compound. Okay, I type of balancing. Type of balancing. Types of balancing. Balancing are three types. Balancing are three types. Number one, electrovalencing. Electrovalencing or ionic balancing. This type of balancing made up between metal and non-metals. Metal, non-metal form ionic balancing. Ionic balancing. This type of balancing made up only between metal and non-metals, because metal donate electrons and non-metal has gain receive electron. In this type of balancing, the donating or receiving between metal and non-metals are called ionic balancing. What is electrovalencing or ionic balancing? The transfer of electron. The transfer of electron from metal to non-metal form a bond is called electrovalency or ionic balancing. In the form bond also known as electrobond, and this type of compounds are called electrocompounds. Okay. Example. Sodium has metals. Why? It is lost one electron and form cations. Then chlorine accept one electron and form ion. The sodium and chloride, between sodium and chloride, sodium donate one electron to chlorine. Sodium donate one electron to chlorine. So sodium has positive charge and chlorine has negative charge. One a bond formed between sodium and chlorine are NaCl. NaCl are ionic compound, and the bond between sodium and chlorine are called ionic bond. And these are compounds are called ionic compound. Ionic compound. These bonds are called ionic bond. ionic bond, and NaCl compound are called ionic compound. Okay, note it. Next example, MgO. Magnesium also a metal. It is donated to electrons and has them form cations. Oxygen है non-metal elements. It is received two electrons and form anion. Noted. Magnesium two electron donating to non-metal oxygen, then form bond between magnesium and oxygen. It is double bond or MgO. Okay, this bond is called ionic bond. Ionic bond, and MgO is called ionic compound. Ionic compound. Okay, note it. Covalent. Valency. The transfer of the sharing of electron or electrons between two or more atoms are called covalency. The sharing of electrons, the sharing of electron or electrons between two or more atoms formed covalent bond, and compounds are called covalent compound. Okay, the sharing of electron or electrons between two or more atoms form covalent bond, and compounds are called covalent compound. These types of valency are called covalency. Okay, covalency only between non-metals. Why? Two elements sharing of electron or electrons. Both are acceptor, both are donator. So it is known as sharing of electrons. This type of valency is called covalency, and bond, covalent bond, and these are compounds are called covalency compound. covalent compound. These examples. Note it. Three types. One, monovalent bond. It means mono means one, valent ये bond when two elements share one and one electrons to form a bond are called monovalent bond. Examples: formation of H2 molecule. Formation of H2 molecules. देखिए हाइड्रोजन 1, हाइड्रोजन 1. These are unstable. Why? Outermost shell has only one cell. If these are has two electrons, then stable. So it is not stable because outermost shell has only one electron. These are both are hydrogen atoms share one and one electrons, then form single bond and H2 molecules. This bond is called covalent bond. Covalent bond. And these are molecules are called covalent molecules. Okay? Cl2 molecules. Chlorine has 17 atomic numbers. It is 287. देखिए, these are also unstable because outermost shell has no complete electrons. Second chlorine also 287. When the outermost shell electron has 8 electrons, so it is complete their outermost shell, and then the chlorine stable elements. But at this time the chlorine no stable or unstable atoms. Chlorine and chlorine sharing between two chlorines only one electrons, 1 and 1. The outermost shell has 7 electrons. One participates in the formation of bond. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The chlorine has 7 electrons in outermost shell. So 1 electron shared between other chlorines. Also chlorines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then sharing of 1 electron 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then chlorine forming single bond or Cl2 molecules. This bond is called covalent bond and chlorine covalent molecules. Okay, note it. Second, divalent bond. Divalent bond. When two atoms sharing two electrons between them are called divalent bond. When two or more atoms share two electrons, then form bond are called divalent bond. Okay, example formation of O2 molecule. Oxygen has 8 electrons or protons. It has 2, 6. It is electron configuration. We study next chapter after some times. Oxygen also unstable elements because the outermost shell has no complete. When oxygen has 8 electrons, then complete and stable, but this time it is not stable because only 6 electrons present in outermost shell. Then second oxygen also this condition. Then 2 oxygen share 2 electrons each oxygen atom. 6 में the sharing of 2 electrons and remaining 4 electrons. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The other oxygen condition that 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. When 2 electrons sharing the form double bond are called divalent bond. Oxygen double bond O are O2 molecules. This bond is called covalent bond. Note it. Trivalent bond. It means when two or more atoms shared between 3 electrons, then form bond are called trivalent bond. Example formation of N2 molecule. Formation of N2 molecules. One nitrogen atoms has 7 atomic number. It is 2 5 electron configuration. Also second nitrogen 2 5. Nitrogen also unstable elements because the outermost shell has no complete full. When nitrogen has outermost shell 8 electron, then stable, but at this time has only 5 electrons present in outermost shell, so nitrogen unstable elements. So it is second nitrogen elements shared 3 electrons between each other to form triple bond. Nitrogen 1 2 3 1 2 3. Nitrogen has 5 electrons in outermost shell. The 3 electrons participate in the chemical bonding. The remaining of 2 electrons 1 and 2. Also second condition 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That condition when 3 electrons shared between 2 atoms, then triple bond formed. 1 2 3 3 or given to molecules. This bond is called trivalent bond. Note it. The next example, formation of H2O molecule. Which type of H2O molecules? H2O molecules is molecules of compound, because one molecules of water formed by two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Then hydrogen 1 and oxygen 8 2 6. Hydrogen and oxygen also unstable elements because the outermost shell has no completely full. So, sharing of one electron between both hydrogen and oxygen. I see oxygen, hydrogen. The one electron shared by hydrogen and also oxygen, then other atoms of hydrogen share one electron between oxygen. The stable hydrogen, these are also stable hydrogen. The condition of the oxygen, the outermost shell has 6 electrons. The 2 electrons participate in the chemical bonding between oxygen and hydrogen. The remaining of 4 electrons, these electrons are called unsharing electrons. These electrons are also known as unsharing electrons because these electrons are not participate in the chemical bonding. Which electrons participate in the chemical bondings are called sharing of electrons. So 2 to 4 to 6 to 8, the outermost shell of the oxygen is complete, and hydrogen has 2 electrons in outermost shell. These are also complete, and this structure also known as oxygen and hydrogen, H and 1 2 3 4 are H2O molecules. Okay, note it. Coordinate compound. Coordinate balancing. These type of balancing covalent types. It is also shared, donating electrons by only one atom, and first atoms is donating electrons are called donor, and second atoms which receive electrons are called receptor. Donator and receptors, the formation of bond are called covalent bond, and this type of balancing is known as coordinate balancing, and then form compounds are called coordinate compound. This type of bond shown by arrow. ठीक है, the head portion is shown receptor, and tail shows donor. Okay, example formation of H2SO4 sulfuric acid. HOSO and O. One hydrogen and one oxygen participate in sharing one electrons. One and one. This type of condition also, this oxygen and sulfur, one sharing electrons. How many remaining electron on present oxygen? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The hydrogen of duplet orbit complete. The octet complete also oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other atom of oxygen and sulfur sharing also one electrons. And this oxygen shared between this type of hydrogen one electrons. A hydrogen duplet orbit complete. How many electrons present on oxygen? Remaining electrons are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. They both oxygen and one sulfur. This sulfur donating a pair of electrons to oxygen. From this sulfur donating one pair of electron to oxygen, and 6 electron present on this oxygen has unsharing electron 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2, 8. The oxygen also complete their outermost orbit. And other oxygen also 1, 2, the one pair electron donating by sulfur to oxygen. These both oxygen, these two oxygen has no sharing electron between oxygen and sulfur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to 4, 2, 6 to 8. And this type of structure formed. We carefully see the between sulfur and this oxygen. Sulfur only donating electron to the oxygen, but partial, not completely. So the bond hydrogen between oxygen and sulfur and oxygen and hydrogen, and then this type of arrow between in oxygen. This bond is known as coordinate bond. Coordinate bond. Also coordinate bond. And these bonds are called covalent bond. Are you understand? This lecture is in this time, and other topic we can come from after sometimes next day. Thank you.